In order to keep your laundry room clean and organized, you have to stay on top of things. Join me as I share with you my laundry room cleaning checklist. There are routines that you'll need to follow daily, weekly, monthly, every 6 months to help keep your laundry room clean, organized, and functional. I have created a laundry room checklist to share with you. I'll put a link to the checklist down below in the comments, or you can simply jot down some notes and create your own during this video. So here's our laundry room checklist. Daily. I'm going to go over all the things that we do daily to keep our laundry room clean, organized, and functional. Declutter the laundry room. Clean the floors, either vacuum or sweep. Wipe your counters. Treat stains on clothing. Wash clothes, dry clothes, put clean clothes away, and remove the lint filter. Also, if you're going to go to print out mine, I'll have a link again down in the comments below. I also have some blank areas so you can add in your own things. All right, weekly. Clean and wipe down your washer and dryer. Dust the doors. Dust the baseboards. Wipe and dust the windowsills. Dust ceilings. Wipe walls. Mop floors. Declutter and organize cabinets. Declutter and organize linen closet. Empty trash. Again, all of that is weekly stuff that you do. Monthly, you're going to wash your curtains. You're going to wash the inside and the outside of your trash can. You're going to clean and scrub your sink. Deep clean your washer. If you have questions about deep cleaning your washer, I just made a video a few days ago about that. Wipe and sanitize your doorknobs. I love Lysol. Sweep and mop behind your washer and dryer. Yes, this does require you to pull them out. And restock your supplies. And that is, you want to make sure you still have everything for your laundry room first aid kit, for example. You just want to make sure that whatever you're going to need on hand in your washer, in your laundry room is going to be there. All right, seasonally, this is about every 6 months. Also, I just want to say that seasonally is to be used in conjunction with all of these things. So every 6 months, you're going to do this entire list right here, not just down at the bottom, everything on it, okay? Deep clean your windows. Restock supplies. Restock cleaning caddy. Dust and wipe light fixtures. Deep clean your dryer vent. We just talked about that in a previous video. Deep clean your iron. We just talked about how to steam clean your iron. Clean and remove debris from your broom and mop. Wipe clean your dust pans. Clean your carpets if you happen to have carpet in your washroom. Wash your rugs. Clean and organize your closets, and clean and organize your cabinets. Now, I do this stuff way more than every 6 months down here. However, use this in conjunction. What I do is I take it, and in my cabinet right above my washing machine where I keep all of my supplies, I have this taped to the door. So that way, every day whenever I go in there to do my load of laundry, I am forced to open the door and see all of these things. And what I do is I take this and I put it in a clear plastic sleeve. And actually that is what is taped to the inside of my cabinet door. So that way I can use a dry erase marker and go by and just mark off what I've done. And then whenever I'm finished, I can just wipe it off very easily. And also, every Monday, whenever I do my weekly stuff, I will go through and mark all of this, and then I'll put like a line right through here, so that way I know I don't have to do anything on here until the following Monday, which makes me feel good, because sometimes on Mondays I'm really busy and really rushed, and I don't get to do my weekly cleaning in every single room of the house. And me just putting a small line through here lets me know that that room has been done. So our laundry room cleaning checklist works together with my laundry room organization challenge, which we will be talking about in tomorrow's vid. Please share this video with your friends, everyone who needs a cleaning checklist for their laundry room. Give me a thumbs up, show me that you like the vid. And don't forget to sub to my channel for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos. Thank you.